From the most awarded brand in the industry comes the new Kenmore Elite Refrigerator with 30 cubic feet of capacity and active finish, designed for family living. The convenient Simple Select dispenser with easy-to-use controls delivers clean, filtered refreshment. Choose cubed or crushed ice or water, all at the simple touch of a finger. The advanced NSF-certified water filter system reduces chlorine taste and odor, impurities like mercury, and over 99% of lead for cleaner, fresher water and ice. The top shelf is all yours with the slim indoor ice maker. It allows 100% use of the top shelf, plus extra storage in the door. Say goodbye to wilted produce with the Kenmore exclusive airtight crisper. Even after 7 days, lettuce is still crisp. A unique gasket and dimpled surface locks in moisture to keep veggies fresh. The full-width pantry drawer with digital temperature controls helps keep food fresh and at the perfect temperature. It features 3 precise digital temperature settings, one for produce, one for deli, and one for meat. The Clean Flow air filter system is 15 times more effective than baking soda at reducing odors. It circulates clean, filtered air to every section for great-tasting meats, fish, and produce. The Kenmore exclusive Tilt and Take freezer drawer provides convenient access to your favorite frozen foods. Its 3-tiered storage includes an extra deep bin and 2 pull-out drawers to make organizing your foods a breeze. Now you can enjoy the beauty of stainless steel without the fuss. Introducing Kenmore Active Finish. It resists smudges and fingerprints, so cleaning is quick and easy. Unlike stainless steel, a door with active finish even holds magnets for the family art gallery, and more. With its stylish good looks in your choice of white, stainless, bisque, active finish, or black, it will fit beautifully in any kitchen design. Kenmore, the most awarded brand in the industry.
Your refrigerator might look a little different than this one, but don't worry, the tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Ready to make some ice? The instructions are pretty chill. If your refrigerator was just installed, there are a few things to know. It's normal for minimal ice to be produced in the first 24 hours. Air in the new plumbing lines may cause the ice maker to cycle 2 or 3 times without making a full tray of ice. The new lines can also cause the first ice cubes to be discolored or taste a little funky. No worries, just toss out any ice made in the first 24 hours. Once that's all worked out, it will take about 1 to 2 days to produce the first full bin of fresh ice. So how do you turn the ice maker on? First, make sure the plumbing connections are secure and the water valve is open. Note, if the ice maker is on and the water supply is not connected, the water valve will make a loud chattering noise. Simply place the ice bin under the ice maker and push it back as far as possible. Then lower the wire signal arm to the on position. That's it. It should produce 2.5 to 3 pounds of ice every 24 hours, unless it was just installed. To turn the ice maker off, simply raise the wire signal arm until it locks in the off position. It will also turn off automatically when the ice container is full. Tip: it's a good idea to turn off the ice maker when you leave for vacation. That should do it. Endless ice with minimum effort. You've got this.
Introducing LG InstaView Door-in-Door Refrigerator, bringing distinctive styling and innovation to your kitchen with a tinted glass panel that allows you to see inside the easy access door without letting the cold air out. Refrigerators are opened a lot, letting cold air out every time. Experience the convenience of seeing what's inside without ever opening the door. More cold air means more peace of mind that food will stay fresher longer. You can simply knock twice on the tinted glass to illuminate the compartment for access to your favorites. LG's door-and-door panel is designed to meet your lifestyle. It has extra room for food storage, with convenient organization for all of your family's favorite foods. The cold saver divides the compartment from the main cabinet of the refrigerator to prevent significant cold air loss. The glass panel is activated by a touch recognition sensor. Moreover, the glass is reinforced and so durable. The argon gas-filled, triple-pane tinted and UV-resistant tempered glass door offers industry-leading insulation, protection, and durability. The custom chill drawer gives you additional refrigerator or soft freezer space when you need it most. The versatile drawer features 4 temperature settings. Use it as a soft freezer space or create another place for fresh foods. Whatever you decide, the adjustable dividers make it superbly simple to take usable space up a notch. The slim Space Plus Ice system provides more shelf space and allows even more space for door bins. LG's innovative inverter linear compressor is simple but very effective. The single friction point compressor has improved durability with fewer friction points, helping you save energy consumption while minimizing noise. LG confidently backs the motor with a 10-year limited warranty. LG's fresh air filter pushes cleaner, deodorized air into the refrigerator. The multi-airflow system circulates cool, fresh air to every corner to keep foods fresh. LG InstaView Door-and-Door takes the look of traditional stainless steel to new heights. It is fingerprint and smudge resistant. A dry cloth is all it takes to bring the surface back to its original luster. Choose from a standard depth refrigerator for more space or counter depth for a sleek built-in look. Raid the fridge without losing your cool. LG InstaView Door-and-Door.
The Tri-Freezer system offers a place for everything, even frozen pizzas. With a spacious lower basket, an adjustable divider, and 2 clear upper sliding drawers, it's easy to organize and access all of your frozen favorites.
Cooks who love to entertain want a refrigerator that serves up style, performance, and convenience. The GE Cafe Series French door refrigerator is made to order.
Maytag, what's inside matters.